This is Punkin. I am coming to you from Las Vegas, and I am in front of the Bellagio Hotel. See, people? Awesome. So we are waiting on the water show to start. So when that starts, I will show you some pictures from that. All right, so stay tuned. Okay, so my husband wanted you all to see the Vegas Strip a little, and this is all done in front of the Bellagio. You can see all the different people walking by, and yeah, a little bit of the scenery, but the trees were kind of blocking most of it. But you do get the picture. It is so busy, and when they say the city never sleeps, this is about how busy it is at 12 or 1 o'clock in the morning. We were there one morning, about 1:30, and it was just busy, busier. All the people, the water, the food, sights, scenes, everything. We enjoyed Vegas. Can't wait to go back. All right, keep watching. Okay, so here comes the show. Hopefully, we're waiting. See you in a minute. Yep, here comes. All right, YouTube.
Singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above. The sun's in my heart and I'm ready for love. Let the stormy clouds chase everyone from the place. Come on with a ring of a smile on my face. I walk down the lane with a happy refrain, just singing in the rain. Dancing in the rain. I'm happy. I'm singing and dancing in the rain. singing in the rain.
All right, that was it. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye. Bye.